What's up, fellow traders? It's Monday, so we got what we wanted, just a day late. Everything followed suit. We pushed through both 50 days on the Dow and S&P. I would have liked to have seen the volume a little stronger, but we definitely had a good surge. Volume's still strong. I think it didn't go full peak because people are still uncertain. They're not believers right now. I don't think the full institutional buying and the big dogs from the sidelines are stepping in yet. You know, remember when I was trying to pick that last bottom on a run to 10,000, we were at like playing between 8,000 to 83, 8,400. So we're still 600-700 points from there, and you know, fully in the green. So if you're in that situation, you did good. Again, pat yourself on the back. I mean, this is where, you know, this is why we trade. You know, you can never pick the exact bottom, and you can never pick the exact top. But the breakout's not even upon us yet. See, the big breakout's going to be, you know, when we break above the you know, the 8,000 on the Dow and like the 850, 875 area that I'm talking about on the S&P, which is when I'm probably going to go all cash. As far as my trades today, I did a lot of trading today. I scooped up a big chunk of Microsoft, wrote them up about 70 cents, picked up some lows right away, wrote them up about 40 cents, and right as I left the post today, I damn near went all in on SSO. Followed up with a 50-cent trailing stop at 2010, and it never looked back. It went to like 2049, 2045, and came back down to like 2020, 2015, and then it was straight up from there. I ended up clearing half of my position at the end of the day at 21.20. I feel good. It was a good trade. I'm still holding some SSO for some upside tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to roll with my trailing stop. I'll make up my mind tonight on that. So I'm pretty much all cash except a little SSO, and I did pick up a few more puts. The April $15 puts on SSO. So I'm going to grab this camera now and go over what happened today. You know, this is beautiful. Why it's beautiful? Because look at this downtrend that I was pointing at. Look at that right there. I mean, we have broken the downtrend. I mean, this is gigantic. This is the slide right here. Look how we came up. We came back and corrected to it Thursday and Friday, and then look at today, which I was calling for that because we damn near closed on it on Thursday. I was calling for that on Friday, but because of that options expiration day, it just didn't happen. But look at that now. We had it today. Opened up and powered right off the line. Good sign. Volume was strong. If you draw it out across the board, it still peaks. If you can see, there's only a couple little groups that go through it on these crash days, right before we crashed, the crash, the second crash in November, and then just recently on this bottoming deal. So we're looking really good on that. Remember, this is when I'm going to be all cash right here. This is why I'm going for 875. You got the November low and then little trend we were following before this. Remember, I call this the shakeout, which it's picture perfect now. It's beautiful, man. Like anybody that got shooken out down here is done. Remember, this is when we were like all in, not going to add any more, and we didn't have to. So right here, this is where I'm going for, and I'll tell you why, because it's going to be like a double nut. Look at that. From the October low before that little shakeout right there, across all that, the tops, the last time it hit the 50-day, remember, bank, before our shakeout, we're definitely going to 875. It's just like one more day like today or 2 half days. My plan is When this hits the 875, 900 area, go all cash temporarily. It's not over. Pick back up by the 50-day and ride this thing up to 1,000. Dow, 9,500, 10,000. It's going to be beautiful if this test comes. Like I said last week, the market definitely showed us it's not broken. And it's finding support, it's battling resistance. We're going back to test that 10,000 that we battled. Remember, for 2 years before the crash in 01, 02, and 3 years after. Good luck.